we are back with the mini mic because we're doing a little styling session today of a jumper that is half ugly, half cute, but never get rid of it in my closet cleanouts. So I have to style it today. Jumper in question. Let's put it on first and see what the fit is like. It's kind of giving nothing. I'm gonna find a way to style it and I'll be right back. We're getting into something here. Converse. We have yellow, we have red, we have black, we have green. Maybe some red. My favorite way to add a little something to the outfit is adding bangles on top of the knit sweater. Do we do a cap? Absolutely not. Is this too much red? Let's just stick with classic black sunnies, and this is the final look. What do we think? Bye.